We're here again this week making blankets for Ukraine. It gives a huge amount of job satisfaction to the girls, and they're really pleased to be involved in this. It's nearly a year since we did it last time. There's going to be 10,000 blankets leaving the factory in Seaton Delaval, heading to Ukraine. So it's fantastic for us to be offering these at this really cold time for the people in need.
I've been working here for about 2 years since the factory opened. I do a variety of different jobs. I'm a machinist, but I can use all the machines. I can also make all the scrubs, the gowns, and anything else that's asked of us. So making the blankets for Ukraine has been massively important to all of us in the factory. It means that we get a chance to do things other than scrubs, but also making a difference to the people in Ukraine. With the weather being so cold, it means that we can make a difference. And if we can make a difference, you know, we're so proud that we can help them. Also, what we're doing is, when we're making the blankets, we're putting messages in on the labels. So it's thinking of you, made with love, stay safe and stay warm.